Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a candle haul. So Bath & Body Works was having their annual sale where they do the candles for $8.95 each, and they're normally $24.50. Like, I'm not buying a candle for $24. No thank you. So since they were $8.95, I bought candles yesterday. I didn't buy a lot, just 6 of them. I got 2 for my husband, 1 for his room and the other one for wherever he wants to put it. This is the black tie, and this one smells manly. This just smells so good. This is how it looks. I don't know if they change the packaging every year or if this is the regular packaging, because like I tell you guys, I don't buy candles a lot, because especially this candle, because they're like $24. Like, that's a whole lot for a candle. I mean, they're good and they smell delicious, but like $24 for a candle, I'm not paying that much. It says it has green sage, tonka bean, and sandalwood. I don't know what those scents are, but it makes it kind of smell manly, so I thought this one would be good for him. So this one goes for him. He kind of didn't like the packaging because it kind of looks girly, but what can I do? And then the other one I got for him was Mahogany Teakwood. This one says it's made with essential oils, and this one has rich mahogany, black teak wood, and lavender essential oil. This one also smells manly as well. And this one, I think you might like this one better because of the packaging. Like, it doesn't look too girly like this one does. Like, there's a big difference, you know. If you're gonna buy a candle for a guy, I really suggest either this one or that black tie. I don't know, I didn't really smell a lot of candles because there was a whole lot of people there yesterday. Like, there was a big ass line in Bath & Body Works, like long. They were open, one of the workers there, they said that they opened at 5 in the morning yesterday. I was like, next candle is winter. I love how this one smells. It smells delicious. This one says it's made with orange and fir needle essential oils and notes of clove. I love how it smells. Next I got cinnamon, spice, vanilla. I love how this looks. Like, come on. Once this runs out, I'm gonna wash it out and use it as cup holders. Like, definitely smells like vanilla. I love the way this one smells. I love vanilla ice cream. This one's just made with fresh ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, and Tahitian vanilla bean. Oh, this one smells so good. Everybody there was asking for fresh balsam, and I do not like the smell of fresh balsam. Like, I just don't like the smell of pines, having pines all over my house. I feel like I would get over it very quick. I don't know, I just can't have strong scents like that. Like, I feel like that one had really strong scent, but yeah, everybody was going crazy over fresh balsam, and I don't know, it doesn't go with me. I couldn't, even if I bought it, I couldn't be able to have it on for so long because I don't like the smell. This one might be like my favorite, frosted cranberry. This is how it looks. I love how this one smells. This one smells so good, and this one's made with notes of iced cranberries and orange essential oil. If you guys ever want to buy a candle, I suggest go with this one because this one smells so good. And then last but not least, I got this one, Limoncello. But they changed the packaging. Now it just says Merry. Well, they changed the packaging for the season, for Christmas. So it says Merry and Bright, but it is Limoncello. It says it on the bottom right here. This one has Sorrento lemons, cane sugar, and lemon zest. This one, oh my god, I love how this one, I just love the smell of lemon. And that's all I got. Limoncello and frosted cranberry. are definitely like my two favorites. Also, what's cool about the sale is that you were able to use coupons, and I didn't know that. Like online, you were only able to use one coupon, I think, or one code. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't buy it online. I went to the store, and in the store you're able to use multiple coupons, but I didn't know that. So when I got there and when I was checking out, I was like, oh, I forgot to bring my coupon. So she was like, oh, it's okay, I can give you like 20% off of your entire purchase. So that lowered the price even more, and if you were to brought your coupons, then that would have lowered the price even way more, and you would have gotten way more savings. But I didn't, and I didn't even think about that. That was just my candle haul. I really love all of these candles. And like I said, my favorite two are going to be Limoncello and Frosted Cranberry because I just love those scents so much. And if you want to invest in one of them, I definitely suggest either or Limoncello if you like more of that citrusy smell, like lemons. It just smells like lemons. And I love it. Frosted Cranberry, it does smell fruity. And it's not super strong, like it's not super overpowering strong, you know. It's just you can smell it, but it's not gonna be too much. Like, I love it. Those are my two favorites. My husband doesn't like any of the ones I like, but it's okay, he got his own too. And if he doesn't like them, then we can go and exchange them. This candle set only comes once a year, so next year you gotta make sure to be prepared. Have your stash of coupons ready and go to the store early because you don't want to be waiting in line how I was. You can buy them online too, but like I said, you won't be able to use a lot of coupons. I mean, you're still saving money, but if you want to save more money and use coupons, then I suggest go to the store early. That's it for me. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!